Hello everyone, it's Tuesday, 3rd August, and the time right now is 2 p.m. and the temperature is positive 30 degrees Celsius and the heat warning is back again. Today I am at the Calgary International Airport to see off a friend. So I have a planning to make a walk at Calgary Airport, but I decided to do today. And yeah, and I just enter from the Air Canada gate. The airport still is very empty though. And the upstairs is right now I am at the departure at the downstairs, and the arrival is the upstairs. And this way is the security, like there's the last step of the, everyone knows the last steps of the airport. So I don't think so they're gonna allow me to vlog in the security department, so I just show you a quick tour. So here Canada is very empty, and as you can see there is a sanitizer. And in the airport, Calgary Airport, mask is required. And there is a mini screen where you can see your flight time and everything. So there is a machine for credit card cash. And one more thing I want to show you guys, there is a weight machine here. It's free, so if you're confused about your luggage weight, you can weight here. It's free. This is the flare counter. Is very small though. It's only, I can see only 4 screen for the flare. So this gate is also for the security. Is the gate number 7. And one more thing, like I think many people ask about the shuttle from Calgary airport to Calgary city center. So there is mainly two shuttle, the 300 and 100. So whenever you want the shuttle bus, so you have to check your timetable, the shuttle. So if like from Calgary airport to Calgary city center, and I think city center is 300 and 100. The heat warning is back again. That's so bad. And one more thing, and about the parking in Calgary airport, there is two types of parking, like the short-term parking and the long-term parking. If you come here for like 30 minutes or 1 hour, you can go for the short-term parking. It's a $5 per 30 minutes, and the long-term parking I think is $57 for the full day. And this side is the restroom side, washroom. And always in the airport, follow the sign. And I noticed one more new thing in Calgary airport is the elevator. They fixed a touch screen elevator in Calgary airport now. Kananaskis Hall. This is another security gate. There is a huge WestJet counter. Let's try to go upstairs. I don't know I can make it or not. Upstairs. Oh, in this elevator there is no touch screen, so there is a sign actually. Now we are going arrival. don't know. It's level 3 actually. Then there is only I don't think so. Must be there is some security problem. So I'm going downstairs again. Oh, it's ready. I just found this sign here. You can see all the flight time here. WestJet Special Assistance Counter. The sign here. And now I'm going at the parking lot. I park at the Shuttle parking. Okay, I am exit with the gate number 1. And here is the gate number 1, WestJet counter. And let's check that I can see some plane here. It's all parking lot. Here is the bus stop. So here is a ride app pickup. So you can download the app if you want to take the public transit here. So is that smoking is allowed here? Oh. Oh, there is a ashtray also. Yes, I can see the WestJet from here. Only I can see the wings for the bigger one. So you can see, I think there is one shuttle is coming bus. I think all the shuttle pickup gate is YYC terminal gate number. You have to check the gate number. parking garage here. Okay, I'm going to show you this screen here. What's going on here? Level 2. Okay guys, thank you, take care, stay safe and enjoy the weather.